morning, guys. My name is Alberto, and I'm going to talk about the nature of a good country. First of all, I would like to talk about something that surprised us. What is that? That's the musgo. As you can see, here we have our beautiful pretty musgo. It would taste good, but I'm not so thankful. Well, second, I would like to talk about something that is typical in the nature, especially in Asturias, which are the football. Okay, football. It's something that's a thing that is typical in every garden, in every school. Well, another important thing are the elections. As you can see, the elections are very few. I don't like them, but I just want to talk about it to destroy them because I don't like it. Vale.
We can't play this game anymore, but can we still be friends? Things just can't go on like before, but can we still be friends?
Well, guys, I continue with my program. You can see there is a lot of music here too. I love this song. It's a happy mix. But I prefer to talk about now about the trees. Well, there are trees that are alive, others are died. But I want to talk about a tree that is it's alive, don't you? It's alive. That tree. Look, it's so beautiful. It's very tall. It looks like, I don't know, 300 years or more. And you can see all of these apples, very healthy apples, well, healthy, came from this beautiful and splendid tree. Others than that are not very beautiful, or others than that are sick. Yeah, I know, that's sick. I know. So,
I love the colorful clothes you wear and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle wind on the wind that
here we can see margaritas. Margaritas are plants that are very beautiful fruits. Consider your opinion. I think that margaritas are like persons, are our friends. We don't have to kill them. Well, but now, as you can see, I'm walking on the musgo. Whoa, musgo! And now I'm going to talk about the orizos. I need it. One orizo that's inside it should be castañas, typical Spanish food. Yeah, more in the north Spain. Oh, mariso. So they're typical, and if you touch them, you can make blood in your hands. So they're very dangerous for the nature. Here is another typical plant in the gardens. It's black, it's a plant black, but it's strange. The other plants need water, but this plant, look, the thing that this plant do is to give the other ones water, or to the person, or to the people. It could be to the plants, to the people, to the animals, wherever you want. Here you can see another typical tree. The pino, little pinos. Sorry about English, I am from Canada. And you can see, yes I am. Hello guys, and I'm going to talk two languages. Hola chicos, ahora voy a hablar en dos lenguas. First of all, I would like to start with the English. So, I would like to tell you that I love the nature. And the thing that I need to the video cost your fucking state $200. Hola chicos, lo primero que quiero decir es que amo a la naturaleza. Lo que también quiero decir es que las cosas que he utilizado para hacer el vídeo os han costado $200. So, así que jaja. And now I'm going to entertain the guard the Oscars to the best plants and vegetables and derivatives. First of all, I would like to start with the Oscar to the best plant. It's to the musgo. Here you can see the amazing, incredible musgo. Musgo for you. But now I would like to start to entregar the honorific Oscar to a plant that has been part of this garden during thousands and thousands of years. That is for the... Follow me. Walking on the roof though. Oricios! Typical Spanish. Oricios, the honorific Oscar. They have been with us since 1,000 years. Now is the end of my program. Sorry, but I have to finish. Yeah, it's a pity, but okay.